Good morning, it's the 5th of March 2025 and we're doing more hiking research. Yesterday we got maybe 500 meters from where we needed to be, but there was just no way to get through. So we're hoping today we can do it. It's turned into an Albanian fight. I think the guy's insisting that he comes with us to show us the way. Okay, taxi rat! Yeah, he wants to show us the way. So this is the trail. We think it should work. The guy was very confident and people are using it. Okay, everything was going great, but then the path just vanishes. Prints, goats. I have a path again. So, what directions did the guy give you?
Diatas. That means right. So, looks like we have a path right up there. Let's check now. Because the goat's going through here. As I check, so maybe it's the right path.
Okay, right is always right. Yeah. We have another scary bit. So the mountain is gone. That's our path over there. You go first. That's my plan. Haha. Oh God, now I have to do it. It's a dramatic change from normal procedure. Krashnik insists that we go right, whereas I feel going left is the best option. We'll do Krashnik's way first. It won't work, so then we'll come back and do my way. We do have a path. It's overgrown, but it's a path. So all the spikes we had yesterday were just a warm-up for today's spikes. Well, the trail is really overgrown, but this is definitely the trail. Okay, Krashnik will not admit defeat. So I'm going to have to push my way through, somehow. Krashnik is a man on a mission, just won't give up. This was chopped within a week. Woodcutters are here. We're back in the game. I'm leaving Krashnik to his demented mission. I'm going to see if we missed a path. So it's back the way we came. There's got to be a way down to our left. We are literally 20 meters from where we need to be. It's difficult, but we just found some old stones, which to us, it looks like an old Ottoman goat path, some real construction. So we're going to follow those and see what happens. But we're so close. I think essentially I've made the decision to slide down on my arse. Well, I'm not sure it's going to be a decision actually. I think, oopsie. And here, I think we'll join the rocks. I think I know where I am. Oh my God. Oh, Krashnik. How are you feeling?
No, the thing is, as you saw in the bushes, okay, it's a trail that is not used in the last 20 years. But yeah, we did till now we are 1.7 kilometers, and we spend the time that we've been in the same place where we've been yesterday. We are in the same place, but from the other side we had done 5.5 kilometers. So, okay, we are on the trail. Let's get connected and make the loop, so we can have fun with our guests.
Booby does love to clean his socks after a hike. Then we're going to go back to the car, a different route, because we are fed up of being spiked. What we've just done was very painful. I've hit a dead end really. To find a way up here is going to take some time, and it's getting later in the day. So we might try something easier and save this. We're making a plan B. Couldn't see a way through there, so we're going to go through this instead. And I hear lots of crashing from Krashnik, so I think we have more spikes to look forward to. If it's wrong, we can turn back. We're not in a crisis. We're not up a mountain. We have a bar that serves cold beer. Everything's under control. We're on to plan F now. But even the fields are abandoned. Nobody's working them. Nick is optimistic, but I don't think we're finding a path here. We had a foolproof plan G. That meant walking back and sticking on the path. Kreshnik prefers plan H, which appears to be certain death, but it may save us 3 minutes. Let's see what happens. So plan H is to slide down these rocks somehow, get to the stream, then climb up the other side. Even Booby's not stupid enough to try this. I'm going to let you try plan H out. So far plan H is actually working. I found an easy way down to the pipe. Easy-ish.
It's amazing.
Don't know if you heard that, but Kreshnik shouted, "Ooh, it's amazing." I'm liking plan H. Okay, plan H is a good one. We're continuing with plan H. And so far, it's worked very, very well. In fact, it's worked so well that everything we did this morning, I think, was a complete waste of time now, because this is considerably nicer. Usually, if you fall back to plan H, it feels like defeat. But today, plan H feels like a real victory. This is a beautiful road.